Hi, Luann. How you doing today?
Very good, thank you.
Good. So what brought you in?
Just for my regular checkup.
Okay, cool. Can you identify your name for me?
Lou Ann Halligan,
Okay, and then what's your date of birth?
11/17/1964.
Okay, and then your reason for your visit? Any changes to you or anything like that?
Nope, just for a regular checkup.
Okay, I'm just going to ask you some health history questions just to make sure that they're still the same. Any chest pain or tightness recently?
No.
Any shortness of breath?
No.
Cough?
No.
Tired easily?
No.
Swelling in the feet or legs?
No.
Do you have to urinate at night?
I do.
Okay. Past history of heart disease in your family?
No.
No? Okay. And then current medications?
I'm taking Zyrtec at nighttime just for seasonal allergies.
Okay. And then do you smoke?
No.
And then alcohol use?
Socially, maybe once a week.
Okay. I'm going to first palpate your carotid. Alright. You're good on both sides, and then we'll do your temporal. Okay, good. Alright, I'm just going to listen to your heart, okay?
Yep.
I'm going to start with the aortic, and then the pulmonic, and then the tricuspid, and then the mitral. Okay, you are in sinus rhythm, which is good. You weren't experiencing any chest pain or anything like that? Your heart rate been elevated recently?
No, only when I exercise.
Okay, good. All right, so have you been experiencing a cough recently?
No.
Shortness of breath?
No.
Past history of lung disease?
No.
Do you smoke?
No.
You work in you live or work in a condition that would affect your breathing?
No.
Okay. And then when was your last TB test?
I think it was within this past year, and it was negative.
Okay. Let me see your nails. This side. Very good. I'm going to listen to your lung sounds. When you feel my stethoscope, just take a deep breath for me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and now the back side. Any tightness or does it hurt when you breathe in like that?
No.
Okay, and then just underneath your arms. Take a deep breath. That hurt at all?
Nope.
No? Okay. All right, then one more time. Take a deep breath. It's fine. Okay. So your lung sounds seem normal. I'm just going to ask you some questions about your nose and mouth and throat, just to see if has anything changed there. Okay.
Yep.
Any nasal discharge recently?
No.
Frequent severe colds?
No.
Trauma?
No.
Sinus pain?
No.
You said you do have allergies, just seasonal?
Correct.
Okay. And then any loss of smell?
No.
And then have you had a sore throat recently?
No.
Any sores on your mouth?
No.
Bleeding gums?
No.
Toothaches?
No.
Has your voice changed that you've noticed?
No.
No. Okay, and any difficulty swallowing?
No.
Or any changes to your sense of taste?
No.
And then you did say that you just drink socially?
Yes.
Okay, and then do you use a nasal spray?
I do not.
Okay, and then can you just explain like your routine dental care for me?
My day-to-day habits, brushing at least 3 times a day and flossing once a day.
Okay, good. Alright, I'm just gonna have you stick out your tongue. Alright, tonsils have been removed. Alright, and then you can push out. Does that hurt at all? Okay, good. Alright, well, I think that's it for now. Do you have any questions for me?
I don't.
Okay, well, come back in a year unless anything changes, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.